Welcome to Walmart, an exclusive marketplace for select sellers. Together with the world's premier multi-channel solution provider, M2E Pro, Walmart invites you to join in. Walmart helps merchants to leverage the power of the world's largest retailer while keeping a seller's unique identity. Everyone in the world knows and values the Walmart brand, so why not showcase your products by selling on Walmart? Over 130 million customers visit the marketplace each month. Many online shoppers will not come directly to your site. However, when they visit Walmart, they will find your products too. Why miss out on this opportunity? By using M2E Pro's powerful interface, you can deploy various selling strategies and set controls to manage your inventory on Walmart automatically. M2E is a Magento technology partner, and their solution has been fully certified by Walmart. M2E Pro, selling on Walmart made easy.